In today's episode of my mini series for the new scrapbook.com cardstocks, we will be going through the classic pack and going through all of the colors and comparing those. So if that sounds good, stay tuned. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and thanks so much for stopping by today. Today we are going through some of the new cardstock from scrapbook.com. And this is my new mini series going through each type of cardstock that scrapbook.com offers. Today's episode we are going through the Premium Classic Cardstock and there are 45 colors in there. All right, just a little details for the classic cardstock. So again, these are 80 pound, so they're a good weight and they're perfect for die cutting. And this classic pack has 45 colors. So pull up a chair, grab a drink. We might be here a little bit, but these are absolutely gorgeous. So first, I'll just run through the colors and you can check it out. They are so beautiful. So this first one is called Ladybug, which is a perfect ladybug color. It's very bright. And then here we have the Garnet. And you can see how we're building the palette here of the different reds. This one is Carnival Red. So it's a little bit of a different tone than these two. And then you have this gorgeous wine. Right? How pretty is that? These look amazing together. I love that. All right, and here's the pomegranate. It's another great color. So there is our red family, and then kind of getting into the pinks. So we have Petal Pink, Valentine, and Berry. I love this color. Look how bright that is. So gorgeous. Then into the oranges. These are really fun. Look at this one. Tangerine. You don't see colors like that very much. Then this one's is kind of similar, a little more muted. The Orange Sherbet. And then Squash. And then we're getting even a little bit more earthy with the Ginger. Right, so pretty. All right, now for some yellows. We have yellow. You can't get much more basic than that, right? And then we have Pineapple Smoothie. So this is kind of adding in a little bit of the orange. And then a perfect summery color. This one is called Summer Days. So bright. And then we have this almost kind of neon one. This is called Vivid Yellow. That's very apt. So bright. It kind of goes with that one. And then we have a muted yellow. So we have the Gold Rush. That's kind of more of a mustardy. All right, now onto the greens. We have Key Lime. That's perfect. And I love this avocado. It's very kind of green gray, sort of. It's very rich. And then the kiwi. Those look great together. And then kind of the blue greens. Look at this sea salt. This is so gorgeous. I love this one. And then Pacific Coast. Cypress. And then look at this one, this forest green. It's like a spruce color. It's so like dark green, but with the blue. All right, now the blues. We have Tiffany blue, which that is very apt also. Beach breeze. Blue lagoon. I love this one too. Beach ball. This is very bright. And look at this one. I love this. Neptune. It's kind of got a little bit of purple. Dutch blue. And blueberry. So you get that bright blue. See if we can scooch these up a little bit. All right, now the purples. Amethyst. So pretty. Wisteria. Orchid. And eggplant. So that's a great purples collection. You get all the, from light to dark. All right, now into some neutrals. Here's the ivory. And the vanilla. I really like this shade. I think it's that, you know, off-white that you want. It's not too yellow, it's not too white. And then we have the craft. Chocolate. Cocoa. It's a gorgeous shade of brown. And then even darker. Hot fudge. And then the grays. So we have almost gray. So that's a very, very light gray tone. Phantom gray. Steel. It's a gorgeous color. And then new black. So I think this is a great collection of colors for, you know, just your everyday die cutting and card bases. And again, this is the 80 pound, and we have 45 colors, all of them gorgeous. I will link over to the bundle pack for these. So you can check that out just to get a sampler, but you can actually purchase each piece, each color individually, and they come in 12 by 12 sheets, and those are available now. I believe the bundles might be sold out, so make sure you put your name on the notify me list so you can be notified when those come in. If you've enjoyed our walkthrough today, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. And make sure you hit that notification so that you will be notified when the new episodes of this mini series come up, because we have 4 other cardstock packs to walk through. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.